Good afternoon, this is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are looking at FX currencies and the British pound. Big day yesterday for the pound. Some positive news out of Brexit world and rallied this morning, actually extended that rally to its highest near 131. So nearest its highest point since August. You may even go back to July since we've seen if we were able to bend the chart a little bit. But ultimately we pulled back. Below yesterday's settle. There wasn't a whole lot of follow through today. Yes, Brexit news yesterday was positive. Today, not much follow through, and the market reflected that. So I think there's a lot of anticipation, a lot of hope priced into that. Recall that the pound hit its low against the dollar not too long ago and has since seen a nice rally, but obviously the rally stalled a little bit today. Again, that is a hope trade. In the pound that is being priced into Brexit being a positive, outlook, or seeing positive momentum coming from that. And one of the reasons why I think there was a little bit of positive momentum today, we heard from Bank of England Governor Mark Carney is going to extend his stay at least through 2020. Recall he was going to be giving up office or potentially leaving office in 2019. They did not want to disrupt any potential Brexit transition. Hence, he agreed to stay on. I think that's a good thing, keeps volatility down. Likewise, he was sort of the architect, or was the sitting governor during the architect of the Brexit talks and referendum. So therefore, that gives the market a little bit of stability. I don't think it necessarily gives you any sort of positive or negative outlook, but gives some stability there. And lastly, where is Brexit going? Well, back in June of 2016, the referendum said they want out. And that out comes in March of 2019 if they can get their I's dotted and their T's crossed with the EU. It's been a very hectic period here with financial firms leaving London, or at least relocating a lot of their offices to the mainland. Likewise, you're seeing still a lot of contingencies on how to tax and tariff and how to keep trade flowing without there being one lopsided side or the other. And I think right now it's continuing to be a very unclear path. Keeping Governor Mark Carney there is one positive, but you certainly don't have anything on either side that's a slam dunk done deal. And March 29th, 2019 will be here before you know it, whether Brexit officials want it to or not. So I think the continued uncertainty there will continue to keep the pound bouncing. Likewise with the euro. The euro and the pound have been seeing a bit of a tug of war as of late, but on yesterday's news, it seemed that the pound was going to get the edge, and then again today we find out it wasn't. So it is going to continue to struggle. March 29, 2008, mark that on your calendar. It will be a very interesting day, but today the pound falling off its highs, but still holding its bullish formation. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.